Welcome to the universe of maths, and today we are going to cover an chapter triangles, which I have specifically made for class 9th. And before we have covered lines and angles for class 6, 7 and 8 and also 9th. So this triangle chapter lays the base for this chapter will also come in quadrilaterals. In such we have to prove or circles. Many topics are there in which triangle come like this. If I make a quadrilateral here, so if I divide this and make a diagonal, so here become two triangles, so that's why this chapter is most important for class 9. And today we cover full chapter with concept plus questions. So we are covering triangles class 9 and we are starting now. So before that we are learning about triangles, so we should know how triangles formed. Triangles are basically formed by line segment. Triangles are basically formed by lines segment. And how triangles name come? Triangle means three sides. I have written also. You can copy. You can make notes side by side. A triangle is composed of three sides and three angles. If I say this is a triangle ABC. If I say this is a triangle ABC, here are its sides ABC. So this I have made angle A, this will be angle B, and this is angle C. Now in this chapter one more concept came here. If I have made the side, what I can say with this side A, what I can name A, we can say side AB and B as AC and C as BC. So we will use this rather than using ABC. We will use this rather than using ABC. I will tell you the concept is there. You should already know that sum of all interior angles is 180 degree in triangle, and sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degrees. This we all know. We have already known that a triangle is composed of three sides and three angles. So you can copy or take the screenshot for your notes, or I will put these notes in description of this video. One thing we already also know that if I say sum of all interior angles, यानी कि angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So how you can prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree? So today I am going to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. So if you have to prove, how you will move, here I am doing So you will move first, you will do construction. What you will do? Construction. What construction you will do? If this is line BC, so we will make the line parallel line to AB. I have made an imaginary line. Okay, wait a second. This I have made. What? I have made a parallel line to AB. What I have done? Construction I have done, in which parallel line to AB. Parallel line to AB. And let I have take these are angles. Angle 1, angle 2, and this is angle 3. Okay, this much is clear. Or we can take this also, angle 4 and angle 5. This much is clear. So what we have to prove, I have written, this is what to prove. Angle A, angle B, angle C. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 should be 180 degree. This we have to prove. So how you will prove, how you will go? This can be the question, can be come in 2 marks. Usually it comes. So how you will do? If I say these are parallel lines, so I can say angle 4 equal to angle 1. Can I say angle 4 equal to angle 1? Can I say? What I'm telling you, this is forming in Z angle, and if it's forming in Z angle and line is parallel, so this will also a Z angle, which is alternate angles. So we can say, what we can say, angle 4 equal to angle 1 and angle 5 equal to angle 2. Why? These are alternate angles. And we know angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 will be 180. Why? It is a straight line. Why will say it is a straight line? Angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 would be 180 degree. Why? It's a straight line. And angle 4 we have got angle 1. Angle 3 we have found is angle 3 only. And angle 5 we have found angle 2, which is 180 degree. So here we have proved is equal to 180 degree. This we have proved. What we have proved? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. And this much we have to prove it. So you can take the screenshot, or you are writing by side. So this is what the triangle is. How we have proved the triangle ABC, sum of all interior angles in a triangle is 180 degree. We have proved. Now the most important topic in this chapter is what? It is congruency. And most of the questions come here from only congruency. The figure 1 you are just solved because it concepts are of lines and angles, so you are already known that figures you can do, but congruency is a new topic here in class 9th. Earlier it was in class 8 too, but now it is removed from class 8, so we are doing this chapter congruency. So what are if we are doing congruency, what are congruent figures? First we should know what figures are congruent. How we can say these are congruent figures? So all geometric figures having same shape, same size and same shape, then it is congruent. Can I say these two figures are same or same size? No. Why? These are, this shape is different, this shape is different, and size is also different, so these are not a congruent figures. Can I say this? Yes, same size and same shape, so these are congruent figures. Now you are well known that these are congruent figures and these are not congruent figures. So these are congruent figures. You can take the screenshot again. Next, congruency of triangles. Congruency of triangles. When triangles are congruent, triangles कब congruent होते हैं? यानी कि if I name this triangle, if I name this triangle as ABC and this as PQR, and naming, so suppose angle A is 80 degree, angle B is 40 degree, angle C is 60 degree, and these are sides 3, 7, 6. Okay, and this triangle PQR 3, 7, 6, again 80 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree. If you have to make triangles congruent, then how you will do? Same shape and same size. How congruent figures are? Why they are congruent? If they have same shape and same size. We can see, देखो, AB equal to 3 and PQ is equal to 3. So we can say, what we can say? AB equal to PQ. What we can say? AB equal to PQ. Now angle A is equal to 80 and angle P is also 80. So first we are moving to sides only. So BC will be equal to QR. Both are. BC will be equal to QR. Both are 6. AC will be equal to PR. Is equal to PR. Is equal to PR. So how will move then? And what are angles? Angle equal to angle P. Angle equal to angle P. And angle B is 40 degree. Angle Q is also 40 degree. So angle B equal to angle Q and angle C will be equal to angle R. Simple. If these are equal, then what we can say? Triangle ABC is congruent. This is congruent sign. Triangle PQR. So in this way we have proved. But what we have defined earlier, a triangle is composed of 3 sides and 3 angles. So if we are having only 3 sides, can we prove this is a triangle? Absolutely. We can prove if you have any 3 parts of triangle are equal, then we can prove that two triangles are equal. Not equal, congruent. Two triangles are congruent. So if I am having only these, if I have only sides, so can we prove that these two triangles are congruent? Yes, we can prove. Congruency of triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent. Two triangles are said to be congruent if the sides and angles of a triangle are equal to corresponding side and another angle. What I am telling you, if this is triangle A, B, C and triangle P, Q, R. If two triangles are said to be congruent if the side and angles of triangles are equal to corresponding side and another angle. So if angle AB equal to PQ and AC equal to PR and BC equal to QR and sides and angles I have tell, so this is equal to this, angle equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. So what we will say, these two triangles are congruent. I am not writing, so what I will say, triangle, if we have proved this equals, these equals, so what you can say, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So now if I say this again, I make the figure same. Now I will move to some another topic. If this is A, B and C, Q, R and P. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If what I say, what I done, triangle I am writing if triangle A, B, C is congruent to triangle P, Q, R. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Then what will happen? Then what I can say? Angle A equal to angle P. Angle B wait a second. Will be equal to angle C. Angle B will be equal to angle Q and angle C will be equal to angle R. And AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. Is equal to PR. Then what I have done? Angle A equal to angle P. Angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. And AB equal to, here what I have done, AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. Is equal to PR. So what are these? What we can conclude here? That these are corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Corresponding angles of congruent triangle, and these are corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. And if we combine these both, if we combine these both, then these are called corresponding sides or angles. What we'll write? Corresponding sides or corresponding angle? We will write corresponding parts of congruent triangles, or we can say CPCT. what we can say CPCT. By CPCT, both we can see if there are angles, we can see corresponding angles of congruent triangle. If there are sides, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. If there are both, we can see corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This is clear. You can note it down so that how you will show the two triangles are congruent. How you will show the two triangles are congruent. How? If I have written this angle A, B, Q, R, B, C. Okay, angle A is 65 degree. Angle P, okay. Angle is 65 degree. Angle B is 55 degree. BC equal to 12. AB equal to 10. And what will you see? Okay, we will writing AC as 50. So I have given PQ as 15, PR as 12, and QR as 10. Angle Q 65 degree. Angle R equal to 55 degree. If you notice here, what you will notice that AB should be equal to PQ, but AB is equal to QR. AC should be equal to AC should be equal to PR, but it is PQ. BC should be equal to QR, but it is PR. So what you will write? What you will write? And if this is 65, 55, what you will write? Angle A equal to angle Q. Angle A equal to angle 2. Angle Q, why? Both are 65 degrees. Angle B equal to angle R. Angle B equal to angle R. If these both are, so angle C will be equal to angle P. And next, in sides, if I say AB equal to QR, AB equal to QR, and BC equal to PR. So AC will be equal to PQ. If you notice here, can I say these triangles are similar? Can I say these triangles are similar? Yes, we can say these triangles are similar. These are also congruent, but we are not. This is not an accurate what? This is not an accurate figure of triangle PQR, or we have to change something. So triangle ABC, can I what can I write triangle ABC equal to triangle PQR? No. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR only then if angle equal to angle P, AB equal to PQ, BC equal to PR, and angle Q equal to angle B, angle R equal to angle C. Only then it will be triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle PQR. So what we will write here? We will write triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. How we are getting here? 55, then ABAC we are getting. So first we are getting 65, then P, then. So what we will write? First we are getting what we are saying, base is BA. So here base will be QR. Here base will be QR. So this will be at last. So what we will see? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP. Criteria for congruence of triangles. SAS. Side angle side. Two triangles are congruent if two sides. What are the two sides? Wait, I am doing side by side only. This is triangle A, B, C, and triangle P, Q, R. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angles one triangle are equal. Two sides. If I say angle AB equal to PQ and BC equal to QR. Two sides and the one included angle means बीच का angle B equal to angle Q, or only this condition will be formed, or I can say this also, AB equal to, or I can say AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR, and then AC equal to PR, and then I included angle is this angle P. No, here included angle will be angle A. Here included angle will be angle A. What? Here included angle will be angle A. Now one more criteria can be found. If angle AC equal to BC and no, if angle AC equal to if AC side is equal to PR and BC equal to QR, then included angle will be angle A or angle B. No, angle C will be included angle of these two sides. So angle C will be equal to angle C. So this criteria will be used for side angle side, side angle side. I hope you understand. So this is our first question. Okay, before that I will just revise all what we have done in quick 1 minute. Firstly, we move to triangles introduction, how triangle formed, how triangle composed of three sides, that we have proof triangle A angle sum of all interior angles in a triangle is 180 degree, angle A plus angle B equal plus angle C equal to 180 degree, what we have proof. Then we have moved to congruent figures, how congruent figures, what are the congruent figures. Then we move when triangles are congruent, if the sides and angles of triangle in both sides are equal, then it are congruent. So this is what we have done. Now this is the first criteria we have got. So it's basically our related to first criteria only. But what is given? O is the midpoint. What is given? O is the midpoint of A, B and AB and CD. What is given? O is the midpoint of AB and CD. This means what? AO equal to OA equal to OB and OC equal to OD. Simple. Prove that. What you have to prove? Prove that triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD and AC equal to BD. The AC is parallel to BD. This is what you have to prove. First we'll move to first part. First part I am doing here only. Second part we will do in the next page. First part, what do you have to prove? In triangle AOC and triangle BOD, in these triangles what you have to do, just only we have to Do all angles are equal? These two things what we can do. If both triangles having all sides are equal and both triangles having one all angles are equal, or corresponding parts of congruent triangle, what is learned? That both are using, then it is our corresponding sides of corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And what we have earlier done the criteria, side angle side. So what will be the, can I say angle AOC is equal to angle BOD? Can I say? Why I will say? This is why I will say. What we know, firstly I will write AO equal to BO. It is given. Every time we are doing moving to we are congruenting figures, so we will write reason why it is equal, and CO equal to DO. This is also we have given. So what we have proved now, angle AOC equal to angle BOD, vertically opposite angles. This what we have done in lines and angles. That's why lines and angles come earlier than triangles. So in this way, triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. Now we will directly say that by, without seeing it, we can say directly by side angle side. But is it good without seeing? No. Every time this criteria does not used, because we are done now only side angle side, so I am writing here by side angle side without seeing. But how it is formed? Two sides and one included angle, उसके बीच का angle. two sides and one included angle. So this is side angle side. Now second part is there, AC equal to BD. Second is there, AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD. What we will write? How you will equal? As triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. What we can conclude? That AC equal to BD by CPCT. By CPCT. This is what we have learned about CPCT. That if we two triangles are congruent, the three sides and three angles will be equal. AC will be equal to DB. Angle C will be equal to, this what we have proved, AC equal to DB or BD. And third, the most important, AC is parallel to BD. How we can prove that AC is parallel to BD? Let's see how we can prove these two. AC is parallel to BD. If I say what? Okay, if this angle and this angle will be equal, this angle and this angle will be equal, then we can show by CPCT we can prove. And these two, if these are will be equal, then here we can see that what I am seeing here, what I am saying, that this is forming z angle, so this will be equal to this. Or we can do what? Firstly, we are done AOC and BOD, so what you can say, this will be equal to this, so AC equal to AC parallel to BD, simple. So what we have to prove congruent, what you have to prove equal, AOC and OBD will be equal to AOC angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD. This no OBD, yes, OBD by again by CPCT, they are equal, and they are also alternate angles. If there are alternate angles and they are equal, then AC will be parallel to BD. We have proved this. Now we are moving to next question. Let's see, we have next question. Next question we have AC equal to AD. What is here? Okay. AC equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. Oh, this is angle sign. No, triangle. This is triangle sign. Can I have triangle here? No. I am making triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. We have proof. Okay. To prove, show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. What is given? First we will write given. Given AC equal to AD. First I am marking figure. This is A, B, C and D. Now let's prove. Now let's write given. AB bisect angle A. AC equal to AD. What is given? AC equal to AD. And AB bisect angle A. AB bisect angle A. This angle will be equal to this angle. It's given. So what you can write? Angle CAT. That's why naming is important in triangles. Equal to angle DAB. Or you can prove like that numbers. What you can write as angle 1 and angle 2. What you have to prove? Always we are writing answer, so we will have to. There are 3 steps to write answer in triangles. First we will write given, then we will write to prove. If there is construction is required, then we will write construction, and then proof. Then proof. So we have written given to prove. What you have to prove? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. And now we are proof. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, what you can write? AC equal to AD. It's given. What thing is also given? Angle CAB cab will be equal to angle DAB dab, given. And AB will be equal to AB. Why AB will be equal to AB? In both triangles the base is AB, so these will be equal. Triangle AB will be equal to AB. What is there? Common. AB will be equal to AB common. So in this way, we have three sides or angles we have done. So triangle, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by side angle side Y. First you will see by side angle side Y, two sides and the included angle. That is why by side angle side we have proved this question. Next question. What is there? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by side angle side, what we have proved. Now what is, first I am making figure A B C D E and F. Okay, what is given? Always there are 4 steps to solve a question in geometry part. One is AB equal to CF. AB equal to CF is given. EF equal to BD is also given. EF equal to BD is also given. And what is given? Angle AFE. Angle AFE is equal to angle CBD is given. 3 things we have given. So can we prove these congruents? This is equal to this is equal to CF. EF equal to BD and AB equal to CF. AB equal to CF, only this part. AB equal to CF. AB equal to CF. Now how we can do? if this also equal, so that's easy to solve it. If AF equal to BC, if AF equal to BC, AF equal to BC, then these triangles would be congruent. But what we are saying, we have only AB equal to CF. If we add these two, AB and CF to BF, so this will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. What I say, but let me write again. If I written here AB plus BF and CF plus BF, so what we can write AB plus BF, AB plus BF will be AF, AF, and CF plus BF will be BC. Oh, this what we have to find, this what we have to prove. Proved. Okay, and AB equal to CF given. From here we are starting proof. Now write to proof. To prove that triangle AFE is congruent to triangle CBD. Is congruent to triangle CBD. So AB equal to CF, and what is also given, AF, angle AFE is equal to angle CBD. It is given. AFE, this angle and this angle is equal. This angle and this angle are equal. So what we have concluded, that triangle AFE is congruent to triangle CBD by side angle side, simple, side angle side. Next question. What we are given, x and y are two midpoints, 2 points on equal side AB and AC of triangle ABC such that AX equal to AY. Prove that x equal to YB. Okay, this is a triangle. I am making triangle now. This I have not made triangle. Okay, this is triangle. Okay, I have made the figure. I am making figure. x and y. X and y, triangle A, B and C. Okay. X and y are 2 points on equal side AB and AC. X and y, okay, AB and AC equal. AB and AC is equal of triangle ABC, such that AX equal to AY, AX equal to AY. Prove that X equal to YB. Now I am not writing given, or I have to write. Okay, from next criteria I will not write given. I will tell you what is the given. Okay. Given AB equal to AC, AX equal to AY. To prove XC equal to YB, I am requesting you to try questions by your own. Pause the video, check, see the answer and try to solve it, and then check it. Now proof. If you have to prove X equal to YB, what you have to prove? If we make these triangles if we make two triangles ACX and ABY, if we prove these angles to be equal, then we can say XC will be equal to YB by CPCT. So let's do. Okay, we are having more. Okay, I'm doing from next page. Proof. What you have to prove? Triangle. Okay. Proof. In triangle A C X and triangle and in triangle ACX and triangle ABY. Which triangle I am talking about? This triangle and this triangle. We are talking about what is given. AB equal to AC. It is given. Angle BAY, angle BAY, this angle are equal, and it is in both triangle, so angle BAY will be equal to angle CAX. Common, and one more side is given equal AX equal to AY. It is given AX equal to AY. It is given. So therefore triangle ACX is congruent to triangle ABY by side angle side. So if this we have proof, so what we can say? We can say that XC will be equal to YB by CPCT CPCT. Moving to next criteria now, which is angle side angle. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included sides. Two angles if this angle this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, and in between these angles, if these two triangles are ABC and PQR, so angle A will be equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and then the included side AB equal to PQ. Then we can say that by angle side angle we have proved that two triangles, that is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. We are moving to direct question. What is next question? We are moving to direct question that L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. Show the triangle ABC. I'm marking the points A, B, C and D. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. How we will prove? Let's see. L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. It is given already. We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CD. How will prove? Firstly, we will see that L is parallel to M and B is parallel to Q. Before that, we will see that AC is common. So AC side will be equal. AC will be equal to AC. What is there? It is common. AC will be equal to AC. That is common. And this will be equal to this angle. This will be equal to this angle. Why? Angle BAC will be equal to angle DCA. Why? Alternate interior angle and A. Okay. And this angle from here and this here from here, this and this. So again triangle ACB equal to angle CAD. Again alternate interior angle. In this way we have proved triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by angle side angle. What is here? Two angles and the included side. Two angles and the included side. Next question. AC equal to AE. I am not writing given here. AC equal to AE, AB equal to AD and angle BAD. This is what given to prove now. Prove. Show that triangle BC. Okay. BC equal to D. First I am marking This is triangle A B C, and this is D, point D, and this mark as E. Okay, proof. We have to prove BC equal to DE, so we can, if you have to prove BC equal to DE, so what two angles I have to take? Those parts if you have to equal, so the angles will be same of two parts. So what we have to prove? Two triangles we have to prove as congruent. What are those two? In triangle, what I am seeing that in triangle ABC and triangle ADC and triangle ABC and triangle ADC, angle BAD equal to angle EAC, it is given, and angle, if I say BAD and this angle is equal, so how you will prove this angle equal? We will add, what you will add? Angle BAD plus angle DAC equal to, what you will add? Angle EAC plus angle DAC. So what will equal here? Angle BAC equal to angle CAD. Angle BAC and CAD. Okay. Proved. These two parts I have proved. Now AC equal to A. Simple. It is given. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle, wait a minute, triangle ABC equal to triangle is congruent to, prove triangle AMPC and triangle ADC show that BC equal to D. So what we are proving, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. We have proved by side angle rule, and here we can do BC equal to DE by CPCT. So we have proved this also. Next, criteria for congruence of triangles. Two triangles are congruent if any two angles, wait a second, I am writing two triangles ABC and triangle PQR. Two triangles are congruent if any two angles and non-included side of one triangle. If this is angle A and this is equal, so this equal B, this and this equal. If angle equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q and BC equal to QR, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by angle side. This non-included side can be this or can be this also. We are moving to the question what we have discussed. Two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if any two sides, if any two angles. Later we studied two angles and are included side. Now we are discussing a non-included side. Non-included side will be AC and BC. AC and BC will be non-included side in triangle ABC, and PQR in triangle PQR. PR and QR will be non-included sides. Two non-included sides. L is bisector of angle A and angle B is any point. We are moving to end of the session, and this is the question from angle side. L is bisector of angle A and angle B is any point on L. BP and BQ are two perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. What we have to show, that two things we have to show. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB and BP equal to BQ. I have not specifically made from class 9th. It is also can be used in class 10th also, because class 10th have congruency and similarity both. These questions here, and what is given? L is bisector of angle A and angle B. Sorry, L is bisector of angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are two perpendiculars. BP and BQ are two perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. To prove, and directly coming to proof. Why? You know already what is given and to prove, and now it is proof. How you will prove this criteria? I have brought only one question because this is a combination. What? This is a combination of both things. We have to find that. Okay. Next one is side angle, side. Okay. Proof is this. In triangle, what you have to prove? That triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. So we can write angle APB and triangle AQB. What is given? Angle PAB. Yes, each 90. No. Angle PAB is equal to angle QAB. It is given. How? This angle AB is the bisector of angle A. So this will be equal. So it will be given. And angle BPA will be equal to angle BQAY, each 90 degrees. And next one part also we have to prove AB will be common. AB will be equal to AB and reason will be common. AB will be AB and they will be equal common. So if what we have done, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by see PAB each 90. Sorry, PAB this equal and this equal. AB equal to AB, so by angle side. So if we have proved this, so BP will be equal to BQ by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This we have proved. Now next criteria, side. If three sides of one triangle, I made the sides A, B, C, P, Q, R. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides of other triangle are equal, these three sides are equal. AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR, and BC equal to QR. So this the criteria will be used as side criteria. What we will do? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQRY, and if AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR, BC equal to QR by side. Ruled. Now next, this is the question that's usually come. ABCD is a parallelogram. If two diagonals are equal, find angle ABC. I am making figure here. CD is a parallelogram and AC equal to BD. Why? AC will be equal to AD. Why? If ABCD is a parallelogram, so in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So if opposite sides are equal, then BD is equal to CA. Why? If two diagonals are equal. What is given? Diagonals are equal. What? Diagonals are equal. If diagonals are equal, AD equal to BC, AB equal to what? In triangle ADB and triangle BCA, you just have to make the strategy for doing question. Angle ABC we have to find. What you have to find? Angle ABC, and to find angle ABC we have to prove why some things we have to prove that it is a, if we proved angle BAD as angle BAC ABC, then it will be 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angles. Angle, if you prove angle BAD will be equal to angle ABC, then what I can say, angle BAD plus angle ABC will be 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angles. Angle BAD will be equal to angle ABC. Why? Co-interior angles, 180 degree. So two angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. In triangle ADB and triangle BCA. In triangle ADB and triangle BCA, what we can say? AD will be equal to BC. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. AB will be equal to AB, common. I'm not writing reason, I'm telling just. BD equal to CA, it is given. So triangle, okay, one more side I have. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle BCA by side. Next, if we have congruent by CPCT, what we can say? That angle BAD will be equal to angle ABC. Why? I have already explained you. We have to make some strategies to solve questions. Angle BAD is equal to angle ABC, so angle BAD plus angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree. Why? These are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. So angle ABC, we have found that angle BAD will be equal to angle ABC, so angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree. So two angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree. So angle ABC will be equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. So angle ABC will be equal to 90 degree. This we have proved that we have to find only. Next question. Okay, next question 9. Criteria. Next is criteria, which is criteria RHS. If one angle is 90 degree. Okay, triangle, if triangle I have made, right angle triangle ABC and PQR, what is given? If one angle is 90 degree, okay, 90 degree, and the hypotenuse is equal to PR, and perpendicular or base are equal. If AB is equal to PQ or AB is equal to QR, then by RHS these triangles are congruent. One note I have to tell you: whenever we have to find a random angle, always look for linear pair and co-interior angles. Question related to RHS criteria. Prove that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. What you have to prove? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Which angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal? I have made this point D. So this will be 90 and this will be 90 as linear pair, 180 degree. Okay, what is proved? We have to prove that angle. I have done construction here. What construction? AD is perpendicular to BC, and to prove angle ABC is equal to angle ACB in triangle ABD. What triangle I am taking here? This triangle and this triangle. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So angle ADB will be equal to angle ADC. Why? Each 90. 90 degrees. And AB will be equal to AC. AB will be equal to what is given in triangle ABO and triangle ACO. Triangle ABO and triangle ACO. Okay, this we have taken. Okay, I have taken AB equal to AC given, OB equal to OC proved, OA equal to OA common. So therefore triangle ABO is congruent to triangle ACO by side. So now angle BAO will be equal to angle OAC by CPCT. In this way I have done the question. This is the most important question. You can also try to solve this. Okay, I'm just giving you the some hint of the question. You can do. I have already completed. Okay, now this you can do. What I have to tell, you have to just, okay, I am marking also A, B, C, D. ABC and OBC are two isosceles triangles on same BC, so that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. What you have to prove? Angle ABD equal to angle ACD. There is a construction I have done already in the figure. Join AD is the construction I have done. Okay, so prove it. This I am also marking figure. This is the also easy one question that can be done also. Here I am giving the hint 90 degree. This is okay. So this is the end of the session, and this is the end of the session. I have already told you. I have given you 3 homework and given you also the hint how to solve it. Some things that is required here, you have to prove, and everything you have to prove congruency. Then by CPCT you show that. Okay, thanks for watching, and by this you can hope your lesson is covered. If you have any doubt, then ask in the comments. The presentation is shared in description. The presentation I have shared pinned. I will also pin in comments section. Also the description is also pinned in. Presentation is also pinned in description, so you can note it down, or I've already told you to side by side you can write. Okay, thanks for watching. And at last, this presentation is being made by our YouTube collaboration by the channel. I give really thanks to this. Please visit it out and check it out his cool edits. At last, this is the end of the session. This is mathematics with Arman, and I'll see you in the next session. Till then, keep practicing, keep growing, and like this video and subscribe our channel. Press bell icon for more updates. Also, get our notes in description of this video. If you want to get in more efforts from us, feel free to contact us at if any doubt and you wanted to join us, then you can go and contact us, or if you want to get in more efforts from us, then feel free to contact us at 7983100097 for notes, for courses. According to these videos are pre-recorded videos, you can also watch them and keep practicing and keep growing. Thank you.